Hi there all. How are you? We are back with the third Sudoku, a binary Sudoku, in today's newspaper, in additional of Thursday, November the 19th, 2020, the third Sudoku is a binary. And this will be number 1908. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, hand 1, then 1. Double 1, hand O, then O. Double 1, hand O, then O. Double O, hand 1, then 1. Double 1, hand O, then O. Double O, hand 1, then 1. Then double O, hand 1, then 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. We have here 4 O's in this row, so the rest are ones. And then let me see. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. And then double 1, hand O, then O. Double O, hand 1, then 1. 3, 3, yes. 3, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3, yes. 1, 2, 3. Alright, we need to compare, I think. Can we compare something? 101. This is almost the same, except those 2 boxes, and that cannot be the same. Alright, do we have here 1, 2, 3 ones? 101. Let me think. 101. 101. This is almost the same, except those 3 missing numbers. 01. There must be a 01 here, or double O. Alright. Let me think. 3, 3. If I place an 1 here and an O, yeah. Suppose I place an 1 here, then this should be an O, because we have 4 O's, and it's almost the same like the second column and the sixth column. The fifth column. Yeah, and I need to switch those numbers, 1 and an O. So if I made it same, 1 O O 1 1 O O, yeah, 1 O O. Then I will have troubles. So this cannot be a 1 and an O here. This should be an O and an 1 here. Now we have 4 O's. The rest are 1s. Double 1 here and O there and O. This is almost almost the same. Not the same. No, it's not the same. Two, 101. Do we have a 101? These two should be almost the same. O and a 1. O and a 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. O or A1. O or A1. Ooh, it's a choice. Here also O and a 1. I need a O and a 1 here. This should be also an O and a 1 or double O. Difficult. Difficult. 011. 011. 011. 011. Oh, yeah. This column and that column. 00111. Empty box. 001111100. So I need to switch those two digits. With O here, this should be a 1. With 1 here, this should be an O. Alright. And now, between two 1s comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Now I need to switch these two numbers in those boxes. With an O here, this should be a 1. With a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. We have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Then I need to compare, I think. Yes, compare. Do we have an O? 1, 1, Yeah. I have marked those two rows almost the same. 1, 1, empty box, 1, 1, O, 1. No, it's not the same because the last digit is not the same. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we need to guess. 4. So must be an O and a 1 here. Or 1 and an O. Oi. Double O. This is not the same here. O. 100. O 100. Do we have a O 100 here? No. So I need to compare with the columns then. O 111. Almost the same, this one. Okay. O 101 01 This is almost the same. Here, let me compare this one and that one. 0011 empty box 11001100. Yes, so I need to switch those two digits. With 1 here, this should be an O. With O there, this should be a 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Yes, finish in 10 minutes. Wow, not easy this one. Yes, not easy. But it's solvable. Alright, so if you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute, yes, with the last Sudoku, a tectonic one. See you, bye bye for now.